Hey Kelso, this is Mike Fortner just talking to you about your discussion post. Got a couple of comments on that. Um, that's very interesting what you've got here. I'm not quite sure which way gravity's going here and here. Uh, and this is I'm assuming this is the force that you're saying is on of the ground on the person. That's what's pointing up here. I guess that's right. And force there. So these things here, I would think they should both be pointing down. Those are probably not the action-reaction pair you're thinking about, though. Because when a person jumps up like this, that is independent of whatever they're jumping from. Now, it may take more force to get off the ground here for the different kind of surface, but this force here is caused by the expansion of his coiled, I'm going to say coiled muscles, because he kind of compressed himself to get enough energy to jump up in the air. I don't think that's very satisfactory, but that's the best I got this late at night. I may have to come back to this, but if you got questions about this, it probably could be a good idea to ask me about it. So you might want to text me or email me.